Welcome to the Fast Track Guide for Skill 29. This skill is about being a change catalyst, affecting change within an organization and formally evaluating the outcome. This skill demands two competencies: managing the human resistance to secure system adoption and using hard data to evaluate if the project delivered its promised value. The biggest trap junior consultants fall into is believing a project is finished the day it goes live. A system without user adoption is a failure. To affect change, you must understand the change curve. When a new system launches, users hit a phase of frustration and resistance, causing productivity to dip. Do not panic. Your job is to provide hypercare, intensive, patient, one-on-one support to guide them through this difficult valley. If you support them effectively, they will reach the integration phase, where the new system becomes the norm and their productivity finally exceeds the old baseline. Once the system is adopted, you must evaluate it using a benefits realization plan. You must record a baseline metric before the change happens, such as average process time. Then, define your target improvement. A few months after go live, you measure the actual result. Comparing these numbers gives you hard evidence to prove to stakeholders that the system was a worthwhile investment. For your S29 portfolio entry, use this STARR structure. Situation: the business launched a new system, facing high user resistance. Task: my task was to drive adoption and formally evaluate the project's success. Action: I provided intensive floor-walking support during launch. 3 months later, I evaluated the success metrics against my initial baseline data. Result: I secured full user adoption and produced a report proving a 20% improvement in efficiency. If executing your major project, S29 is your final chapter. You must explicitly detail the change management actions you took during system deployment. Most importantly, you must include a formal evaluation table that clearly lists your baseline, your target, and your actual results. Why? Because documenting this proves to the assessor that you closed the loop on your projects, delivering measurable business value rather than just deploying software and walking away. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you now feel more confident in mastering this topic. If you found value in this session, I have a small favor to ask. Please hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and follow our channel. It really means a lot to me and helps the algorithm show these lessons to other apprentices, just like you, who need support. Don't forget, you can download today's slides and the full transcript at www.mentorinai.com EPAHUB. While you are there, check out our mock interview and portfolio review services to make sure you are fully ready for your EPA. See you in the next video. Keep learning.